What's up, guys, and welcome back to Project Z Garage. It's another day. We got the wheels mounted with the tires the other day, and now today we're going to be putting it on the car. So let's take a look at what we have. As you can see, we got the Alzor wheels that we got from ECS Tuning. We're running some Continental Sport Plus tires, and the size is 255, 40, 19s. So we're going from 18s to 19s. I want to hit them, clean the tires, and throw some tire wet on it just so it looks nice once you put it on the car. The car does need a wash, but we have it out here. Here's a last look at what the tires look like and the wheels. And this is why you don't over torque your wheels, especially if you take your car to a shop. Make sure to use a torque wrench on them, or else you'll deal with this. Imagine trying to do this on the side of the street if you had a flat tire. Oh, this is so frustrating. But we'll get it off. Alright guys, so it was a little noisy, so we ended up putting the wheels on. Like I said, make sure you get those wheels, the lug nuts, lug bolts tightened properly to the right specs. Use a torque wrench. I like to torque mine to about 85 to 90 pounds, pounds or foot, whatever, foot-pounds. And be careful when you take it to these wheel and tire places. They're just using a gun to throw them on. Yeah, they're just using a gun to throw your wheels on. You don't know what the torque is that they're putting on, so make sure you're not using a gun to put your wheel bolts or wheel nuts on, because if you break down, get a flat tire, and try to have to take that off, me and my brother had to put all our force in to try to get some of these lug nuts off, and that's dangerous and can leave you stranded. But let's cut to the chase and let me show you what it looks like. Wheels came out great, as you can see. We did switch out the lug nuts to some tuner lug nuts that we got from ECS with some locks. These, I believe, are the conical set. The OEM wheels have more of a bowl shape, so you got to make sure you get the right type of wheel bolts for your car. I love the fitment. Fitment is really good, not too aggressive, perfect for, an everyday car. It looks really nice. It gives you that OEM Plus look, and just to put the cherry on top, we replaced the center caps that it came with, which were chrome, which I hate, and we got some OEM Audi center caps, which were 60 millimeter to fit. And I think it looks great, way better. It doesn't stick out. I hate when the center caps stick out past the face of the wheel. Alright guys, quick video. We've got the summer setup on the car, on the Audi Q3. We're running a wider tire. The stock 18 inches are a 235. These are 255. It's a 40 sidewall instead of a 50 sidewall, so you got to be careful there. But I think it looks great. It's not even dropped or anything. And we have good wheel clearance on the brakes, but I don't know how great it's going to be when we upgrade them. We're going to have to be careful. We might have to put some spacers, but I think we could probably get away with a 10 or 15 mil all the way around. Alright guys, I think we're going to call that a video. If you liked our video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and we will catch you in the next video.